This predator hasn't changed for millions of years, because it never had to. Meet the crocodile, one of Earth's oldest survivors. Its jaws can slam shut with over 3,500 psi, stronger than any living animal. But here's the twist. It doesn't rely on speed. Crocodiles wait, perfectly still, watching. Their armored skin protects them like natural armor, and their eyes sit high on their head, letting them see without being seen. Ancient, patient, and unbelievably powerful. The crocodile isn't fast, it's inevitable. Subscribe for more video.